Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to use your WhatsApp account on iPad, how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So if you go to the App Store on your iPad and here you will search a WhatsApp for iPad. So you will see a bunch of applications here. You can download them, but these applications are actually not official from WhatsApp. There is no official WhatsApp application for iPad, so I'm not sure that these applications are safe to use or not. So I downloaded one just to give you an example. This one is one application where you can, it's like work like a WhatsApp web. You can just scan this QR code from your device and you can log in to your iPad on your WhatsApp account. So there is another way which is pretty safe if you want to use that one, which is if you go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. You can try it on other browsers as well, and you search WhatsApp web and you will find this link in the beginning. So you need to tap on that one. It will bring you here. This is the official WhatsApp website, and you can scan the QR code here and log into your WhatsApp account. I will show you how you're going to do it. So guys, if you go to your WhatsApp application on your mobile device, then tap on the three lines here and then link a device. So from here, you can tap on link a device, and I need to verify that it is me. And then you need to just scan the QR code on the screen. So once you do it, as you can see, it is now logging in, and here loading your chats. It is logging in to the WhatsApp web here. So here you go. So guys, this is how you can use WhatsApp safely on your iPad if you want to log into your iPad and use it on your iPad. So this is how you're going to do. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.